Hi, C. Devesh here. Today we will discuss why interest rates are falling. There are few points which we will discuss in detail. First, let us understand how our economy works or any economy works. Economy works if there is actual production of goods or supply of services and currency, that is rupee, exchange takes place for that goods and services. For example, Maggie is an item, is a product which sells as usually at rupees 10. Now, if you want to buy a Maggie, you will receive the goods and you have to pay currency of rupees 10, that is rupees of rupees 10. So here the exchange is you are taking the production Maggie and you are paying back the amount rupees 10. So here is an exchange of goods and currency. So therefore this is how economy works. Let's proceed why interest rates are falling. Interest rates are falling because Central Bank of India, the RBI, Reserve Bank of India, is printing currency, which leads to currency lose its value, which leads to high excess currency available in the market. Let's understand it through an example. Let's say rupees 100 was available in the market and the interest rate was 7% per annum before printing of currency. Now, after printing of currency, let's say of rupees 25, now total currency available in the market is rupees 125 after printing of currency. So, currency came into the market without any actual demand of it. That is, it's an oversupply case. When anything is oversupplied in the market, its value diminishes. So, what is the value of the currency? It is its interest rate at which it is being lent. Currency was lending at 7% per annum before printing. Now, after printing, it is being lent at 6.5% per annum. Therefore, its real value decreases. If central bank prints more currency, interest rates will further go down. So as we have discussed how economy works through exchange of currency and product or services. But here RBI is only printing currency. There is no exchange of goods for that currency. So therefore there is excess supply of currency and it leads to fall in interest rates. Let's discuss why central bank is printing currency. We all know coronavirus or COVID-19 is going on across the globe and it leads to struggling businesses. All the businesses are struggling. Since businesses are struggling due to coronavirus, they are out of cash now because people like you and me are not spending to buy their products. So no selling of product is taking place now and therefore all the companies are running out of cash. So in this scenario, no company will produce anything because no one is ready to buy anything except necessity items. Since companies are not selling anything, they are not receiving any cash. And all the companies have following fixed expenses like EMI, rent, employee salary, electricity, payable every month. Since they are not generating revenue, they have to bear such huge expenses every month. This will eventually lead to bankruptcy of many small and mid-cap companies. That's why RBI steps in with the recommendation of Government of India and start printing currency, which leads to fall in interest rates. Now let us discuss, is it the right way to revive the economy? Absolutely no. Printing and solving the problem is not an actual solution, as after effects will be seen after few years. So what is the solution then? The solution is the Government of India should reduce the tax rates of direct and indirect taxes. By reducing the tax rates, consumption power of the people will increase. Say for an example, Maggie was available at 10. After reducing the taxes, it may get available at 9 or 9.5. So people like you and me will get the product at a cheaper rate and company will also survive because they will also generate cash by selling the product. The second point is Government of India should provide actual tax incentives and push new startups. All the existing and new businesses should get all the income tax deductions and exemptions possible for at least few years, so that all the companies which are struggling can get back to its feet. Long story short, all interest rates are falling and will fall further, be it any type of loan interest rates, investment interest rates like FD, PPF, or government bond, etc. So, if you want to take a loan, so I'll leave you with a pro tip. If you want to take a loan and have enough cash inflow to pay off the loan EMI, then there cannot be a better time than now to take a loan and enjoy currency at lowest rate possible for your business. So that's it for now. I'll come up with this type of topics relating to finance and macroeconomics. Till then, thank you, take care, and goodbye.